me to brush my teeth, then it counts. Brushing my teeth counts as foreplay. And we're in the bedroom. You're wearing that baggy old ugly t-shirt from that thing you did for your old work several years ago. I'm talking about team building exercise. Take off that ugly sort of gray amorphous tint of a t-shirt. Oh yeah. Slip off those slippers. Take off those fluid pants. Wipe off that pimple cream. Pop it all out. Take off those linen panties. I'll take off my clothes too, but I trip over my jeans because I still got my shoes on. It's okay, I cover it. I turn it into a kind of sexy dance. Oh. Next thing you know, I'm naked except for my socks.